So everyone able to see? So now we can observe, everyone able to hear, right? So now we can observe. So means your correlation value is failed. So token value is not found. You are getting means you are unable to capturing. So maybe you are unable to capturing means what is the issue? Maybe anyone guess? What kind of issue? Maybe your written for the boundaries will be mismatched, or otherwise you are writing for the function will be wrong place. Means this is the two ways you need to check. Maybe your written for the boundaries will be mismatched. Otherwise, maybe your function will be written for the function nothing but this is the extractor we are written for the wrong place. So maybe you can observe boundaries will be same only, but load runner in the double column place we are given slash right /, but here no need to give anything because automatically it will handle. So means boundaries will be correct only. So what is the issue means is the function will be wrong because so now again I will disable this and will execute again. We'll clear this and will execute again and over existing file. Okay, still okay. We are replaced, right? So that is why it's failing. Okay, whatever maybe we can search is there, right? We can search this. I think we didn't get. So means this is the also is getting failed. Why means so token value is equal direct user token is coming because we are disable this one. So this is the function will be misplaced is happen because you can observe whenever you can search in the view results tree here 32 place it will be displayed. Means you need to write for the 32 above only you need to write, but we are written for the launch. So that is the wrong. So if you keep here this boundary extractor, you can keep in the first login section. Then you can observe, and you can enable this, and you can save this, and go to the view results tree, and you can clear this, and now we'll save this and start replay. Now you can observe. Now you get error, or we are able to pause this script or not. We can observe. See now login is success. Now go to the login. And now you can check here we are not yet anything and login can click on login and you can expand this and you can observe. So user token value is equal dynamic value. See AD sum 2 means dynamically it is generating. So you can observe now we are able to doing for correlation we did good. So this is the way you need to do for the correlation. So important thing means where we need to write thing, that is the very important. And after that, see for example, I think you can
యాక్చువల్లీ లాగిన్ 32లో కదా డైనమిక్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది దాని 24 దగ్గర రాయాలి కదా మీరు లాంచ్ లో రాసినారు కదా
yes so we need to get error only, then we know, right? I do for the everything same, then you not understand and your every time is forget is happen. So that is why I know for that, because if you do for the correlation in Neoload or JMeter or load runner anywhere, where it is the response is showing, you need to write for the above of that. Because you can observe here only the token value is there. You can write to here means it's not work. So you need to write for the above of the request only. Got it? So this is the way we need to do for the correlation. And so now we did this, right? Next we can do for the boundary extractor is completed, right? Now we can do for the like as a regular expression. You can go to the add and go to the post processor and add for the regular expression extractor and give it as a name. Same name we can give because no need to again we need to change it. We can give it as a user core value only. We can give parameter name. We can give for the same. Then go to the regular expression. You can give for here will be same. and after that regular expression we need to give. So now we need to, how to we can give the regular expression means we can go to the notepad, right? Already we have this. Okay. So now you can observe. So you are taking up to this only dynamic value. Okay, observe control X, and so we can do this. And now regular expression. So how to we can write the regular expression means the dynamic value. Where is the dynamic value? In this place we need to write for the dot star question mark. Why we are writing dot star question mark means in this particular dynamic value place it is come for the numeric, alphanumeric or special characters. Anything it is come, automatically it is a dynamically change. So that is why in this dynamic value place we need to write for the bracket open dot star question mark and bracket close. Sorry, zero is right, bracket close. So this value, these things we need to keep for the regular expression place. See, regular expression. So this is the regular expression. Just you can copy this and keep it from the regular expression. Where it is the regular expression, you can keep this. So means dynamic value place only we need to write for the dot star question mark. And here you can observe template, and where is capturing group number start at 1. So and match number also you can observe here, also match number will be there. We have the here also maybe we have the drop downs will be there. We have the number of values will be there. You want to capture randomly, you need to give for the 0. Okay, and the default value also it is asking not found. Okay, so
టెంప్లెట్స్ దగ్గర ఎన్ని గ్రూపింగ్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని పెట్టాలి కదా డాలర్ డాలర్
yes, yeah, how many we have, we need to give for the dollar and 1. You have only one, right? You can give for the dollar 1. Okay, just we'll observe maybe it is pass or not. Okay, forget. So just we are did for the regular expression. Now we'll execute again go to the view results tree. You can clear this. Now we can clear this, right? After that you can go to the again execute. It is pass or not, we can observe. See, login is happened. So now we'll go to here and you can check and okay, you can expand here and we are able to see the dynamic value is generating or not. You can observe. See, it's generating dynamically. Means your correlation will function will be right. So maybe you want to particular what are the values you did, right? Those things you should monitor means we need to give for the some debugging sampler. You can go to here and debug sampler. You can add this. In the sampler, you need to add for the debug sampler. And after that, now we can clear again view results, tree results. And again, we'll execute now. See launch and login and log out. And you can observe debug sampler also will came. Now you can click on this and click on the response data. Now we are able to what are the correlation values you did, what are the like parameterization you did, all values we are able to see here. User token core is equal this values capturing. And see, you can observe this is the, so if you want to see for the what are the values you did means you can use for the debug sampler. So debugging purpose. Okay, maybe we can return wrong place and you can observe again we'll execute. Failed. Now you can go to the debug sampler. Sorry, in the results only you can go to the debug sampler and you can observe here you can got for the user token core is equal not found because your writing for the place will be wrong. So if it is error got, we are only given defaultly not found. So this is the way we need to do for the correlation. So anyone have any doubts regarding correlation section?
Yeah, I have one doubt. I have two dynamic values is came. How can it resolve that one?
Two dynamic values means some other place, right? You are asking?
Yeah, one place two dynamic values it came. How can it resolve?
One plus two dynamic value means you are saying, see, for example, your user token is one, and you are telling for the some. Okay, we can add here just our understanding point of view, some session value. Okay, and some section value also it is generating from like this. Yes, you are asking this, right?
Yeah, I have two dynamic values right now.
Yes, you
How
have
can
dynamic
it
value,
be
right?
resolved?
How you did, right? Same way you can do it. You need to search this dynamic value. So because you handle this one, right? After that, you find for the one more dynamic value. You can copy this and go to the view results tree. You can click on here, and where it is response, it is showing. You need to write for the above of that, and above of that login, you can select here and click on response data. You can search with the section. Same way you can do it. You have the see in the dynamic value means, so this script we have the very less. Maybe you are doing for some other script, you will get for the number of in the only one page only you will get 10 also. You can do for the same way. Got it?
Okay.
So it's clear everyone correlation concept, or anyone any doubt? Only Venkat only asking, remaining people what doing?
I mean page verification also the correlation under came. Page verification.
No, it's not. See, for example, you are doing for the correlation here. Okay. Now, not correlation, you did, and everything is it is showing for the pass only. Okay, after okay, we'll execute again. We'll say this and we'll clear, and again we'll execute. You can observe everything will be pass. See, everything will be pass. But you know this is successfully or not. Here it is showing for the view results tree, green color, that is pass only. But we know that is successfully pass or not means each and every page we need to keep the assertions. See, we can keep for the launch also one assertion. It is assertion pass. See how to we can keep assertion means you can click on this launch and go to the response data. Otherwise, if you go to the response data, you don't have anything here, and you can go to the response data, and this is also some junk data is coming. So we can give it as a one assertion here, like we can go to the launch and click on this add and assertion, and I'm giving for the like we have the different assertions we discussed, right? We have JSON and response assertion duration, and give for the response assertion, and after that I'm giving for the response code here, and click on add. So response code 200 means only it is a success. So that is why if it is success means we need to validate is a 200. So I given this, and just I save it again, will execute this. You can clear this, and again will execute. Now you can observe launch login is happen. I can observe so assertion will be passed, because response body, you can go to the response body and response data. You can check for the sample results. You can check, say response code is 200. Response code 200 means your page is successful, your request is sent, and you got for the response also success. So maybe in this place we can give it as a 201. 201 I given. So to validate point of view, okay. Again, we can go to the view results tree, and we can clear this, and again we'll execute. So now you can observe launch is failed. You can click on this launch, In the response suggestion, see, you can observe action failure message text failed code expected to contain 201. But here 201 is not came. You can go to here and you can observe here will be 200 will be there. But as per expectation results is not found, then it's failed. So maybe it is the 200 will be there, then your script will be passed. Means that is why each and every page we need keep for the one assertion. For example, we can keep for login page and we can go to the view results tree. Again, response code we can give it as a 200 only. Valid means 200 only. See, now we'll go to the, now we need to login part we can check. Now login part we need to give for the assertion. So here we don't have any response data. Now we can observe here we have the some response data will be there. Login page. Here you can check for the any response data we have. Anything static test you need to take, not for any other. See, for example, in the response, we have this text will be there. Contact my focus will be there. Okay. You can copy this response and you can keep go to the login page and click on add and assertions. Give it as a response suggestion. Here now you need to select for the text response and click on add and give it as a what text you are given, right? You can give for this. In the response message means you can give for the response message. Or otherwise text response also same. Okay, and after that save this and we'll go to the view results tree, clear this and we'll execute again. See, so login also success because in that particular response where we keep it here on the right, you can observe response login 24 we keep it, right? So there you can see the response header 200 means okay. So means if it is the particular text is not there here, what is the response assertion you are given here, this text contact micro focus is not there, then what will happen, it is throw an error. So that is why each and every page you need to give for the some assertions, you need to give for the response assertions, so you need to give for the each and every page, then only we are getting for the success page or not we know. It's clear everyone? So anyone any doubt regarding this, we can go to close. I think everyone good, right? Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow also same time and we'll continue our classes. Thank you for joining everyone.